Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility and available storage. This prevents surprises later. Next, download the correct ISO and verify the checksum to ensure integrity. Once done, plug in a USB stick of at least 8 GB and open Rufus or Baelna Etcher. Choose the ISO and write a bootable image. Make sure to select the proper partition scheme for your system. Finally, safely eject the USB so it's ready to boot. You'll use it immediately. You reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI. Set the USB as the first boot device so the installer runs. Once the installer loads, follow prompts to choose language, partition layout, and time zone. Use guided partitioning if unsure. Create a primary user account and set a strong password. Make sure to include drivers and install updates during setup, and decide whether to enable disk encryption for security. After files copy, the installer will prompt to reboot. Remove the USB when instructed. You perform the first boot, complete initial setup screens, and log into your new system. Then install any vendor drivers and run full system updates to stabilize performance. Once done, restore personal files from your backup and configure apps. If the system won't boot, first check BIOS boot order and that the installation disk is present. Make sure Secure Boot is set correctly for the OS, and repair the bootloader from a live USB if needed. If problems persist, note error messages for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.